Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PrettyLinks with WordPress in USA step by step clearly. To authorize PrettyLinks with WordPress, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Plugins and select Add New. In the search bar, type PrettyLinks and press Enter. Locate the PrettyLinks plugin in the search results and click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. After activating, you will see a new menu item for PrettyLinks in the dashboard. Click on PrettyLinks to access the plugin settings. You will be prompted to enter your PrettyLinks API key. If you do not have an API key, visit the PrettyLinks website to create an account. Once you have signed up, log into your PrettyLinks account to find your API key. Copy the API key from your account dashboard. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the API key into the designated field in the PrettyLinks settings. Click on the Save Changes button to store your API key securely. You will receive a confirmation that your API key has been successfully verified. Next, configure your preferred settings for link management. This may include setting up default link types and redirection options. Once you have adjusted your settings, click on Save Changes again. Congratulations, you have now successfully authorized PrettyLinks with WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.